In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson ET or EcoTank M1140 and 7 others printer model using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download and using these resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable your antivirus for a while, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download the file, you can just right click and select extract all. Click extract button here. After that, open the resetter folder and run the adjustment programs. You can just double click on the file. After the resetter program is running, you can just click select and choose the model name. Select the model printer you like to reset. Okay, just click OK. Then click particular adjustment mode button here. And scroll down, select wash ink pad counter and click OK. Click check button. After that, click initialize button. If the resetting process is successfully, you can just click finish and you can turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. But in any case you encounter error, you can try to moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. Then you can try to repeat the resetting process. That's all tutorial how to reset Epson, EcoTank, M1140 and 7 others model using resetter or adjustment programs. Thanks for watching.